saw an angel following me around. She said, it's okay to dream in this great endless void. I said, it's okay to dream in this great endless void. It's okay to dream in this great endless void. Freedom is a lie, eternity's a cage. The rich say do as we say, not as we do. And I've lost the sense of time. I have all this time. It's okay to dream in this great endless void. I said it's okay to dream in this great endless void. Many voices calling you. It's okay to dream and calling you. It's okay to dream. Minding all, I try to form the line. It's okay to dream. In the fragrance of mind divine. It's okay to dream. Oh, it's okay to dream. Yeah, it's okay to dream. It's okay to dream. Finally, it's okay to dream. 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 It's okay to It's okay to dream. Finally, it's okay to It's okay to dream.
Un tempo lontano, una terra divisa, ma il sogno dell'unità mai fu indecisa. Da nord a sud, da est a ovest, l'Italia aspirava a essere una sola, il suo destino più che mai. Unità e libertà, il nostro ideale, l'unificazione, un'impresa senza eguale. Con coraggio e determinazione il sogno si avverò. Italia amata, la tua unificazione non si spegnerà mai. Mazzini, Garibaldi, Cavour e tanti altri eroi guidarono la lotta con cuore e con voce. Battaglie furono combattute, sangue versato, ma l'Italia si unì, un destino incancellato. Unità e libertà, il nostro ideale, l'unificazione, un'impresa senza eguale. Con coraggio e determinazione il sogno si avverò. Italia amata, la tua unificazione non si spegnerà mai. Dai campi di Lombardia alle coste siciliane, l'Italia trovò la sua identità sovrana. La cultura, la storia, l'anima comune, l'unificazione italiana, un sogno reso immune. Le regioni si abbracciarono, i confini caddero, l'Italia risorgente si alzò fiero. La lingua, la bandiera, simboli di unità, l'unificazione italiana, un sogno reso in ma storia ne ricorda. Unità e libertà, il nostro ideale, l'unificazione, un'impresa senza eguale. Con coraggio e determinazione il sogno si avverò. Italia amata, la tua unificazione non si spegnerà mai. Oggi celebriamo la nostra storia e unione, l'unificazione dell'Italia, un trionfo da ricordare. Con orgoglio nel cuore alziamo la bandiera.
secreto de lo divino. Vuelve y gira una vez más. La vida no es para esperar. Hey, 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 hey. Tú ya ves, la música nos mueve a la vez. Con sabor, sin reflexión. Baila, siente esta emoción. Sailing through the stormy night, chasing dreams that feel so right. In the darkness we ignite a fire burning in the sky so bright. Can you feel the rhythm take control? Let the music heal your soul. In the moment, let it go. We're alive, we're in the flow. Into the light, we're soaring high. Breaking the chains, we're reaching the sky. Let the sound guide us through the night. Together we rise. In the light, we fly. Through the echoes, hear the call. We've been waiting for this moment all. Shadows fade, we stand so tall as the beach unites us all. Can you hear the world outside? Feel the pulse, feel the tide. We're invincible side by side, with the sound as our guide. Into the light, we're soaring high, breaking the chains, we're reaching the sky. Let the sound guide us through the night. Together we rise. In the light, we fly. In the silence, we find our peace. A moment of calm, a sweet release. Now we rise, now we believe. With every beat, we breathe, we breathe. Into the light, we're soaring high, breaking the chains, we're reaching the sky. Let the sound guide us through the night. Together we rise. In the light, we fly. And when the dawn comes, we'll remember the flight. In the light, we find our way tonight.
There's a certain flying bird I find to be the best. Yeah, she's prettier than all the rest. To her the gilding proceeds. She's too swift and far to shoot, but I'll catch up yet. I'll catch a great big bird and I'll trap her with my net. The bird, I'm gonna get the bird. The bird, she's the best you've ever heard. I'm gonna fill an arc with her kind. Just two of hers, enough. All the other birds can't come. Oh boy, life's tough. Maybe a perch that will get by. The bird, I'm gonna get the bird. The I'm gonna fill an ark with her kind. Just two of her's enough. All the other birds can come. Oh boy, life's tough. Maybe a bird still will get by. The bird, I'm gonna get the bird. The bird, the bird. Wee bitsy baby bird. Wee bitsy baby bird.
In Canobisca, where time moves slow, lives Ania with a vibrant glow. With scissors in hand and clippers in June, she turns plain locks into a wondrous spoon. Her red Ford roars as she leaves the town, bringing hair magic to erase each frown. For ladies, for gents, for kids so fair, her art creates style beyond compare. A queen of hair with flair so bright, chats and laughs making everyday light. From cuts to curls, she sets the trend. Her magic and charm know no end. In her salon, laughter fills the air, tales and giggles mixed with skills so rare. On the road she rides, always on the go, spreading smiles and beauty wherever she may flow. Her husband and son stand proud by her side. Their love and pride in her craft cannot hide. No matter the challenge, she's always there. A burst of color and style beyond compare. Her red queen of hair with flair so bright, chats and laughs making everyday light. From cuts to curls, she sets the trend. Her magic and charm know no end. In her salon, laughter fills the air, tales and giggles mixed with skills so rare. On the road she rides, always on the go, spreading smiles and beauty wherever she may flow. Husband and son stand proud, legend will last. A joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true. A celebration of life in every hue. In Canobisca's heart, her legend will last. A joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true. A celebration of life in every hue. In Canobisca's heart, her legend will last. A joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true. A celebration of life in every hue. Every hue.
rzućmy w kąt, nawet jeśli to będzie błąd. Ucieknijmy stąd. Ucieknijmy wreszcie stąd, lęk rzućmy w kąt, nawet jeśli to będzie błąd. Ucieknijmy stąd. Ucieknijmy stąd.
ये गजल लिख रहा हूँ मैं सिर्फ तेरे लिए, रहा हूँ मैं फिर भी आंखें रुला के जा मुझे। तेरे बिना सुना लगे सब, खाली खाली है दुनिया, तू फिर भी ना समझ रहेगा। मुझे छोड़ के चला गया। ये दर्द देना मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है, तू आके फिर मुझे रुला के चला जाए। तेरे ये दर्द सहना मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है। ये दिल तेरा देना लेता रहा, हरदम तेरी यादें बुनता रहा। लौट रहा तू फिर एक बार सही, ये जान मेरी तेरे बिना क्यों है खाली। बना तेरे राहें सूनी, बना तेरे रातें अंधेरी, तू फिर भी कभी ना आया, छोड़ के चला गया। आ रहे हैं ये दर्द देना मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है, तू आके फिर मुझे रुला के चला जाए। मेरे रिब भी सहना मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है। बिना तेरे राहें सुनी, बिना तेरे रातें हेरी, तू फिर भी कभी ना आया, छोड़ के चला गया। बेरहमी ये गजल रहा हूँ मैं सिर्फ तेरे लिए, रहा हूँ मैं फिर भी आंखें रुला के जा मुझे।